time I saw you, you're trying to kill me. Oh, you're so pretty.
Not like our old man.
Smith. You and your men. Good soldiers. I'm glad we ended up on the same side.
Well, how was Beverly Hills?
Expensive. That young lady's the door. You see, you open it to get in the car.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Faceman.
Just call me Face.
He bought me all these new, interesting clothes.
How'd you afford all this stuff?
Oh, well, I figured as long as we're still wanted men, you know, why not go for it? In for a penny, in for a...
$2,000?
What?
I will pay you back, Face. I'll repay all of you for what you've done for me. You'll see I won't be just an extra burden to you.
Tia, I don't think you understand something. We brought you out of Vietnam because you're wanted. You're a criminal. You'd be hunted by the government. And that's our situation here.
Yeah, you see, it's a very irregular job. We never eat on time.
Yeah, besides, B.A., he's got a terrible temper.
I do not.
See?
What was my home for 20 years no longer is. I don't belong here. I'm without papers or proof of who my father was. If I am caught, what will happen to me?
Maybe you can stick with us till we figure something out.
Can we celebrate? Can we go to those nightclubs Face told me about?
Nightclubs?
Yes, well, I was, explaining to her certain aspects of American life. But for when she's older, never mind. Could we just get something to eat?
Sure. Follow us.
Colonel, can I ask you a question? Before we went back, did you think about it?
I remembered it. But I didn't think about it.